Welcome to Twin Ponds, Sag Harbor's best kept waterfront secret. Just minutes from Main Street, yet in an evergreen world all its own. This 5-bedroom contemporary retreat on 2.5 acres has been completely rebuilt and sits on not just one, but 2 gorgeous natural ponds. Let's go inside and take a look. How great is this great room? There's light, there's nature, there's water everywhere you look, not to mention the entertaining trifecta. You've got your preparing, your dining, your lounging, all in this beautiful and massive space. And you are gonna love what it's like to be waterfront here at Twin Ponds. Let's go see it. So Jack, what is the spotlight feature here at Twin Ponds in Sag Harbor?
Well, Kyle, hence the name. You're greeted with Little Round Pond, and you ultimately end up at the serene Round Pond. Minutes from the village, kayaking to the other side, and walk to Main Street.
It is so beautiful here. So if you want to have what no one else has, reach out to us, the CJAC team, for a tour of Twin Ponds. We'll see you soon.